My name is Richard Michael Bowen, and I graduated from the Welding program at Southwest Tech. Ended up that I needed to do something that had a little bit more lucrative compensation, so I chose to go to school. And
I've always wanted to pick a student that not only inspires his fellow students, but inspires me. And Rich has dealt with some significant challenges in his life, and he's overcome all those. I've seen him on a daily basis where things are going on, and he keeps his head up and keeps moving forward.
Worn a lot of hats throughout my lifetime, had a lot of different personas and a lot of different ideas on which I ran my life, and I don't know exactly what set it straight. I would probably blame it on my kids the most. It changed every aspect of my life, and I'm happy to have him.
He's got a great attitude, makes us all feel wonderful when he comes into school. You know, he did really well in the program because he worked really hard. He was able to secure a good job with an excellent company out in town that's going to teach him a lot.
Currently, I work at Funder, Welding and Fabrication. We've got 7 guys at the shop, and we kind of trade off who's at the shop and stays and makes things, and who goes off and installs it all. But I get to learn from all of them. I've never really worked in a fabrication shop, so being able to experience that.
His personality is great. I mean, any employer would be happy to have him. He's got a great work ethic. You know, he works together with everybody. He's definitely a team member. You know, just a great guy to have around.
Mr. Riley's very knowledgeable. You can tell there's a lot of things that man knows, and it's good. It's good that he's around to be able to share a lot of that knowledge. I guess the old saying goes, knowledge is power. So, you know, you become more useful if you do something like this.